Hello everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the issue where Instagram story views aren't showing up. Let's go through some easy steps to get your story views visible again. The simplest solution is often refreshing the app. Swipe down on your feed or close and reopen Instagram to see if the story views appear. If you have a poor connection, your story views might not load. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data or reset your router to ensure a stable connection. Next, update Instagram. Glitches like this can often be fixed by updating the app. Go to the App Store or Google Play Store, search for Instagram, and install the latest updates to make sure you have the most recent bug fixes. The next step is to clear the cache. For Android users, you can clear the Instagram cache by going to Settings, Apps, Instagram, then Storage, and tap Clear Cache. This removes any temporary data that might be causing the issue. iPhone users can uninstall and reinstall the app for a similar effect. Finally, log out and back in. Sometimes logging out of your account and back in can refresh your data and help story views show up correctly. To do this, go to your profile, then Settings, scroll down and click Logout, and then log back into your account. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the issue of Instagram story views not showing. If this video is helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.